Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be comparing high ticket affiliate marketing versus low ticket affiliate marketing and showing you the pros and cons of focusing on one model, the other one, or perhaps both. Now if you're new to the concept of this, low ticket affiliate marketing is basically the process of you promoting items and receiving pennies in commission or anywhere from $1 to $5. And if you, for example, make $100 in sales for low ticket items that pay you $1 for each sale, you will have made $100. And with the high ticket model, you're looking at big sales for every single individual one you make. It can be 100, it can be 500, or even 1,000 plus in some cases, depending on what you promote. So even making one high ticket sale that pays you $100 already makes you that money. Now, when you look at it from this point of view, obviously the high ticket affiliate model seems to be more lucrative, it's more enticing, but there are advantages and disadvantages of focusing on this versus this and vice versa. And that's what I really want to talk to you about in this video, because I happen to do both of these things. I promote high ticket items, I even promote medium ticket items and low ticket items. Medium ticket is somewhere like $20 and up. Here's some of my reports in this, and some of these are medium ticket ones, but here's a high ticket one for 130. Here's another one for 200, and I do have others, but I do also make low ticket commissions. Here's my Amazon Associates report where you'll see that I make $2.66, a dollar. And you know, obviously when you look at these numbers on the surface, why wouldn't I want to keep promoting the high ticket ones? And you'd be right. But like I said before, there are advantages and disadvantages. And if you're going to do affiliate marketing, you have to know what you're getting yourself into, because there's things that people don't tell you about affiliate marketing that I'm going to talk to you about in this video that are important. Now, before I get to that, let me just quickly say that my name is Vitaly, and if you don't already know, I create videos like these because I do affiliate marketing full-time. You just saw some of my income reports with that, and I've been doing this for many years and making content like this to help you do the same. And if you're new or struggling and you need help with this, I'm going to leave a link to a resource below this video in the description and pinned comment that'll basically showcase the #1 resource that I use to do this full-time. It also has a lot of success stories. You can get started with it for free, but that's going to help you if you're new or struggling. You can also get help from me as well. But getting back to the main point on this subject, high ticket affiliate marketing is obviously going to be way more lucrative. I mean, who wouldn't want to make $500 for one sale versus having to make 500 sales for $1 and try to equal that? But there's a lot of things that you may not know about when it comes to this. So what I want to first cover is the advantages of high ticket affiliate marketing over low ticket affiliate marketing. So when it comes to the pros, there's just way more earnings per sale. I mean, you know, if you look at this example, just like that on the surface, that clearly explains and tells a pretty big picture. Now, there's more earnings potential in the short and long term, and what that means is if you can make one sale for, let's say, $500 and then make maybe one of those sales every single month, you're looking at $500 of passive income being made every single month. So making two of those will be $1,000 in income every single month. And that can potentially get you good sales in the long run. Now, it's a good way to build savings because you can save up money doing this kind of stuff. And it's good to promote high ticket items through paid ads because you can get faster results potentially. A lot of people promote high ticket items through creating ads on Google and Facebook, and you have to pay for those ads. But if you have a high ticket commission that you can potentially earn from each sale, you can afford to spend that money on ads because, you know, if you spend $100 on ads but you make $500 from one sale, you have a $400 profit from it. And so if you keep scaling and repeating that, that could be a good way to go. But as you can see over here, there are also cons to the high ticket affiliate marketing model. And one of them is it's really way more difficult to make sales because less people can afford it. I mean, there's some extremely expensive items out there that people just cannot afford, and for obvious reasons. And so you're going to be looking at trying to get a lot of people to visit your offers, your ads, and all that kind of stuff, and being ready to not get any sales from that. I mean, with low ticket affiliate marketing, you can make like one sale out of 5 visitors to your site or to your YouTube videos, sometimes even less. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, I mean, sometimes you're looking at one sale out of every 1,000 or 10,000 views. So you have to be patient with this and you have to expect that. Now, sometimes there's scams in this industry, and in this particular case, there's high ticket courses and programs that I personally recommend that people stay away from because they're high ticket schemes, I would say, in the sense that they get you in for a low ticket price and then they upsell you for huge prices while offering you huge commissions for re-promoting those high high ticket courses. And that eventually leads people to losing a lot of money in the business because they invest a lot of money into these sorts of things, or they use money for paid ads, they don't get a lot of sales, and they end up losing a lot of money thinking that they'll make a lot of money. So very often high ticket affiliate marketing can sometimes be a trap to losing money. And that's something you have to be careful with. Now, moving over to the other side of this coin, we have the low ticket affiliate marketing model and the pros and cons to that. So for me personally, there are several pros to really look at here. The first one is it's way easier to make sales because more people buy cheap stuff. To give you an example of what this looks like, one of the main things that I promote on my channel is hiking gear. I actually have two YouTube channels, and the one that you're watching this on is the affiliate marketing one. But when it comes to low ticket promotions, I promote outdoor stuff because it's one of the things I'm interested in. And these are hiking poles that I get paid about, I think it's $2 for this. Yeah, I get paid about $2 for promoting these. And I make way more of these sales on autopilot than I would if I was promoting a high ticket item because, you know, I created this YouTube video where I review this particular hiking pole, and it works for me, and it makes more sales because it's a popular product. People can afford to buy it. They don't really think as often about buying something that's cheap versus something that's really expensive where it's like, oh, can I afford it? What about this? What about that? If it's cheap, they're like, oh, this is great. I'm an outdoor person. I need hiking poles. Sure, I'll throw down 20, 30 bucks to do this. And there's a lot of people that think this way, so you can make way more sales that way. And so that's something to keep in mind for the second pro, which is it's way easier to convince people to buy. The very price of the product being low is itself a contributing factor to convincing people to buy it. And then there's just way more options on what you can promote. With high ticket stuff, I mean, you'll find options, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to low ticket items, there's a plethora of stuff that you can promote as an affiliate, and mixed in with the fact that it's just way easier to convince people to buy it and make more sales, that can potentially add up to making you more in the long run than making high ticket sales. And finally, it can build up to a nice passive full-time income when done right. Now, I don't do low ticket affiliate marketing too often, not because I don't find the model to be unattractive to me, but I just do it because I focus more on medium and high ticket because I'm promoting something that I like more. But this down the line, I do want to promote more low ticket items because of all of these advantages, so it can build up into an income, to a higher income moving forward. But there are obviously also cons to low ticket as there are to high ticket, and the first one is you're just making very small commissions per sale. I mean, if you give an offer to a person to make a few pennies per sale to make at least 100, 11 out of 10 people are going to choose the option with this one, but without context, they won't really know the advantages or disadvantages, which is why I'm making this video for you. And then, technically speaking, it's harder to make a long-term stable income with it due to the low commissions unless you do it right. And what I mean by doing it right is, for example, with this channel, I'll make about maybe $50 to $100 a month in low-ticket sales, but if I were to increase my efforts with that, maybe make 5 times more videos, promote more items through YouTube, through blogging, through other things, I can potentially 5x my income, 10 times my income, and that could potentially build into a nice passive income stream. And plus, it's way easier for me to review these things and again convince people to do it. So those are the advantages and disadvantages, and what I want to end this video on is helping guide you as to which one you should focus on if you're trying to do affiliate marketing. Now, the truth is you shouldn't really be focused on choosing one or the other. It's not like some kind of team where you choose A or B. You should really do what makes sense here. And what I recommend you focus on isn't whether it's the sale that's higher or the lower that's more attractive to you to focus on. Focus first on a topic, or choosing a topic that you're very interested in, and then choosing one or more items to promote in that topic that makes sense. So for example, let's say that you love the subject of mountain bikes. That should be your starting point when creating an affiliate business, because what's going to happen is in just about every single subject and niche that's out there, you have a variety of products to choose from which pay you anywhere from low to medium to high ticket commissions. And by having options, you have more things that you can promote, and you should promote all of these things that make sense. So with the mountain bikes example, you can promote high ticket items like the actual mountain bike itself, which could be thousands of dollars and can pay you a few hundred in commissions per sale. But you also have other things. You have accessories for mountain bikes, brake things, you can have some kind of tire fixing kit, if people, pop a tire while they're on the trail or something like that, you can and you should promote these things because they add up to more diversified income, and that can increase your overall online business. And so to really conclude, you should focus on what makes sense. So this is why I do a variety of things, because I promote items as an affiliate from a wide range of different niches, and that just makes sense because, hey, if I can make a video reviewing it and making sales from it, I'll do it regardless of the commission structure that I get paid for. Now, of course, obviously, if the product is good and legit. So that's the main thing that I wanted to get across in this video. I hope it helps answer your questions. And again, as I was saying in the very beginning of this video, if you are someone that is new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help with it, check out the resource link below this video in the description and pinned comment, because it'll showcase what the resource that I use to get to where I am, which also has a lot of other success stories. It's really a good way to go if you need direction, guidance, tools, and all that kind of stuff, and you can get started with it for free. But you're also welcome to ask me questions as well, which I encourage. I will leave a few links related to other content across my channel in this video, so you can check that out as well. And finally, to finish up, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.